Dit was veronderstel om 'n gesellige oujaarsete te wees, maar vir 5 vriendinne het hul aandjie uit by die Spitara restaurant in Rosebank 'n bitter smaak in die mond gelaat. Die eienaar, Paul de Silva, het hul glo rassistiese opmerkings toegesnou na 'n twis oor die rekening ontstaan het.
It's a genuine violation of our dignity, our rights as women, as black people, and as citizens of this country.
In a public space.
In a public space. He genuinely insulted us. He told me to my face that I must just go get, and I just need a good shagging and I must get the F out of his kitchen.
It was very hurtful. This whole thing has been very, very, very hurtful.
De Silva ontken dat hy gesê het wat die vroue aan hom toedig. Volgens hom het hulle geweier om die vloerbestuurder 'n kans te gee om te verduidelik en vir haar gesê om die wit bestuurder te roep. Die vriendinne het eintlik 'n klag by die Menseregte Kommissie ingedien.
We felt we should and could go to the Human Rights Commission because it is that platform where we can take things up and speak. And as she said earlier, for those of us who at times feel disenfranchised, we need to know that we can take it up and some system can actually hear your voice.
The only thing for me that's important, and I think for all of us, is that we cannot continue to have these places and spaces and interactions that violate us, that make us feel like shit, that make us feel worthless, right? That make us feel like there's nothing that has moved in this country, and just sit back and have these conversations with each other at dinner parties.